Our news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Samajwadi Party delegation is set to visit the riot-hit Sambhal in just a short while. And the Samajwadi Party has made an announcement. 5 lakh rupees for the kin of deceased. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav had announced an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees each to the kin of those who were killed in police firing, as it appeared, in Sambhal. SP Party delegation is visiting Sambhal in just a short while, and the checks will be handed over to the family members. Now, this is, remember, amid a lot of controversy about what unfolded in Sambhal. The police maintains that there was a full-on mob that had gathered, targeted and injured the police personnel seriously. And this was at a time when the ASI survey team was there to find out and assess the situation, like you see on your ground, that a temple and other locations nearby, specifically where, according to the court ordered, a survey had to be done. And therefore, that led to a full-blown mob-like arson violence that had taken place. And now Samarth Srivastava is joining me for the latest on that. Samarth, tell me more about this, because the police had a very different version to what Samajwadi Party believes happened on the ground. Tell us, what is the plan of SP delegation?
See, Pooja, it was long awaited by the Samajwadi Party because they were planning to go there for days before. We saw how Mata Prasad Pandey was stopped by the police in Lucknow residence. After that, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra even crossed the Noida border and tried to reach Sambhal. But now this time, as they have sought the permission from the police, as per the reports, Mata Prasad Pandey, the leader of opposition in Uttar Pradesh Assembly, left Lucknow early morning, and via flight he reached Delhi, and in quite some time he'll be reaching Sambhal. He has been joined by some of the Samajwadi Party leaders. Right there, they will be providing the financial assistance of rupees 5 lakhs to those who lost their lives in the Sambhal violence. Though the BJP is in attacking mode over the Samajwadi Party, and also questioning that at one hand you in a way shows disinterest in providing any assistance, any sympathy to that particular person who lost his life in Bahraj violence just because of his religion. And now in Sambhal, when the same thing happens, you are there to provide the financial assistance, you are there to provide the sympathy. So that has been the claims by the BJP. While on the other hand, Congress party is welcoming the move and even saying that in few days also, so Congress leaders will also move to Sambhal to provide some assistance and sympathy to the family members who lost their dear ones. But now the current update is Mata Prasad Pandey, the leader of opposition and senior most leader of Samajwadi Party in UP, will be reaching in Sambhal and providing the financial assistance. And we are also seeing the politics happening in Lucknow because of that visit in Sambhal. Back to you.
All right, Samarth, keep tracking the latest about specifically what happens as and when the team lands up there.